my Glock. Shot off gumbo and some drink my mix. Yeah, shout out my Fox. Rick Owens, Mike Mary. Yeah, you know I'm coming trim. Got a bad bitch hit my phone. Asked me, do I know how to swim? Said she got
on YouTube. As y'all boys can tell by the title, we coming at y'all with a POV cutting up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's gonna be much traffic on the road right now because I am leaving work early today. Cause them boys on some bullshit what they gave me, bruh. But with that being said, man, we finna hop on the highway. You know what I'm saying? Good little POV for y'all boys. We finally got that head mount, so you know what I'm saying, we can use our hands for real and not be struggling trying to record. You feel me? We here now, nigga, and we lit. Hey, this shit comfortable as hell on my head too. I ain't gonna lie. Hopefully it's a little bit of cars on the highway. I be getting jiggy every day after work. Oh, bro. There's probably not gonna be no cars though, if I'm being realistic. Yeah, it's not much for real, but oh shit, can't put my seatbelt on. It's not much for real, but still finna push this motherfucker. Maybe get jiggy in this. What y'all think? Take this car here? Fuck it, we taking it. Boys, I can't wait for this Chrome delete coming too. In 2 days, not counting today. You know what I'm saying? Or would it be counting today? I don't know, but I get my Chrome delete on Monday. Satin black, you know what I'm saying? We is lit, you feel me? Shit gonna go too crazy. And I got something special coming too. After that, I might do my wheels first cause Buddy got good pricing, great pricing. So I might get him to do my wheels too. Then we gonna add, you know what I'm saying, the special shit on the wheel, you know what I'm saying? I talked about it in one of my videos. I'm pretty sure it's my video with installing the wicker build. I talked about getting it. I thought nobody had this shit, bro, but as soon as I said nobody had it, I seen that shit almost everywhere, bro. Hey, what's going on with the truck in the fast lane, gang? Fuck out the fast lane, you ain't going fast, pal. I got these plastic forks in my whip, bro, cause I had went to the beach a couple weeks ago, and these hoes rattling like a motherfucker. I thought it was my car for a second, but it's the forks. Make sure no tug getting out the highway. Oh shit. Right here. Yeah, Buddy in the blue going slow. Ooh-wee. Make this car right here, gang. Nah, I ain't even gonna do it. I'll make this one. Skirt. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I live about maybe like 20 minutes from my job. I make this shit a 10-minute ride sometimes, man. No cap, no bullshit. Hey man, I'm gonna come at y'all with the nighttime POVs too, but I gotta be careful because I ended up replacing my tail light and getting a new one. But time to time, it still wants to go out. Like I can push my car real bad and it won't go out, but I'll put it in first gear, second gear, make that motherfucker twerk, then it wanna go out. So I just gotta be safe with that, you feel me? I'm gonna see if my tail out when we get back to the crib, and I'm gonna show y'all boys. Hey, this is gonna be my second video that I'm posting today. Go check out my last video if you haven't already, you know what I'm saying? Story time, high story time. And I almost, you know what I'm saying? I thought I got shot, you feel me? But thank God, praise the Lord that I did it. Got 1 mile to the exit. Let's see if we can cut through a couple cars right quick. Oh, this big ass truck getting over often. Through his split they you know, I can't even do nothing for real, bro. Let me see if I can. And my brakes gonna end up being bad as hell, fucking around with my ass, bro. Slamming on the brakes like this. Get my sister. That man probably looking at me crazy as hell. I'm gonna pass her ass, show her. Hell yeah, that was my sister. I know cause that big ass dinner her with. Let me slow down, I'm in the neighborhood now. Yeah, good little POV. A little bit of cutting up session for y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? Well, it wasn't nothing too crazy. Cause the road was kind of clear today. I get up at 5:20, so when I get off, roads be packed. I be swimming, you feel me? Like the New York niggas be doing. They be swimming for real, but I be swimming too, no cap. Man, my mom probably finna say some dumb shit about why I got out of work early, bro. I'm like, Mom, they gave me some bullshit, bro. Like, I had to go. Like, they offered me time to leave. Like, I gotta leave, you feel me? Like, that shit dead. I don't know if I should be showing y'all how to get to my house, so I'm probably about to cut the cam back on when we pulling up in the driveway, you feel me? If y'all fuck with this POV, you know what I'm saying, with the little head mount and the cutting up, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'm gonna come at y'all with some more, you feel me? With that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we pulling up in the driveway. What's going on, y'all? We back. We in the driveway with it. I'm gonna show y'all boys my tail light out or not. Cause that motherfucker be picking me choosing sometimes. Is it out? Oh, that motherfucker on, see? I would put y'all see I was pushing that bit and that motherfucker still not out. But it's whatever. Bumper still fucked up, but we're gonna get that fixed. We ain't sure about it. But hey man, if y'all boys enjoyed this video, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I will be posting more POVs of me driving, for sure. But yeah, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure y'all boys tune into my next video, and we out.
She got a thing for gangsters, she trained my pool stick. Me and my cameraman, we just like, 'cause we both shoot shit. You gotta respect this shit. I kept it 1,000,000, I'm from the dirt. If it ain't about my kids, about my brothers, I put money first. I just took out